one up in the air. Sun getting in the wind, it's like to the thunder. Rolling over and over, we down the river, we drunk. And all of our thumbs went up in the air. Sun getting in the wind, it's like to the thunder. Rolling over and over, we down. We're getting on fire, we're raising up higher. The bottle is up, we're over the top, it's time to get wild. The time of a life, it's happening now. We're out of control, together we're rolling over and over, we down the river, we drunk. And
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone in this room. Welcome to today's SMT graduate class. If you can hear me, type in the chat box. Okay, we have Chandran, Tommy. Who else is in here? We have like 130. I think the rest will be coming soon. Kyle, Catherine, Elvin, Serene, Wayne, Ferries. Okay, good to see everyone. Today's event is also open to public. I opened the public stream a bit late, but they'll join us later. Hi, Happy New Year, Nicole. Okay, so let's get started. First thing first, let's set disclaimer. Whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. So please type yes if you understand. Thank you, Carl. Okay, let me set an intention also. My intention is at the end of today, all our SMT graduates will feel glad that you joined us in this class today, in this SMT graduates class today, and you will learn something useful for the training today. And for those in the public, welcome to today's SMT weekly webinar. Okay. So as usual, we will go through the market first. We will go through the S&P 500, all the different index, and then later part, we will look at certain stocks, okay, whether there's any stocks that we can look at. And then lastly, to pick some of the individual stocks that you have chosen, okay? So, okay, so let's start, okay? So first, S&P 500, we go to weekly charts, okay? Of course, we always want to look at the weekly chart first to see where the weekly chart is, okay? So tell me, what is the trend for the weekly chart? The weekly chart is up, yes or no, okay? We can see from here, the candlestick is blue, a trend is up, okay? And then right now there is a pullback on the last 1 week, but the trend is up. That yes, if you agree, okay? Same thing for Nasdaq. Nasdaq weekly chart also up. Okay, you can see it's blue in color. Okay, the trend has been up for a while already. Okay, there was no whipsaw on Nasdaq. So since last year January, if you are long term, you should be still holding Nasdaq right now. Okay, so if you go into the weekly swing, okay, you will see that right now, okay, last week we are far from the MA. Yes or no? That yes, if you agree. So if you are trading, say 1 month or so, should you buy last week? That yes or no, whether you should buy last week. If you're trading 1 month or so, whether it's S&P 500 or whether it's Nasdaq, no, right? Okay, by now you should know that the price is overbought. Yes or no? Okay, you can see from here, price is overbought. It's far from the MA. We should wait for what? If you want to trade for the next 1 month, what should you wait for? You should wait for the price to pull back. Very good. The price pull back into where? Price will pull back into your. I'm doing both at the same time, so that okay, your price will pull back into your 20 MA, okay, or 10 MA, okay. Or another way of looking at it is the CCI should drop below what? CCI should drop below minus 100. Does it make sense or not? Okay, so if the price drop below minus 100, then you will say, okay, at this point it is oversold. Okay, so that is the time to get in if you want to swing for a 1 month trade. How do I know it's 1 month? Look at the candlesticks. After the pullback, we look at hold for about 1 month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. That will be our exit after we see the pullback into the MA over here. So in both chart, whether it's S&P 500 or whether it's whether it's Nasdaq, it has not pulled back into my MA yet. Okay. Another thing to take note. Okay. Another thing to take note is this rally over here. What do you all think? Is it strong or weak? Strong or weak? Strong, huh? Okay, strong. Okay, so it's very strong. Whether it's S&P 500 or whether it's the Nasdaq, it is strong. Yes or no? Because you can see there's non-stop up candle. This was like a little pause, but it continued to go up. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 up candles. Okay, on the weekly chart. Okay, so it makes sense to have a bit of pullback. Okay, so if it's a strong uptrend, okay, if it's a strong uptrend, you may not just look at you may, instead of looking at the 20 MA, you can also look at the what? You can also look at the 10 MA. Yes, very good. So you can also look at the 10 MA instead of the 20 MA over here. Okay, so you go to here, you can go to look at the indicators, look for 20 MA. Okay, look for 20 MA, and then you can plot the chart. So you can see from here, price is coming down, not yet into the 10 not yet into the 10 MA, but it is pulling back right now. Okay, any question? No question. All understand the weekly chart when Nasdaq and S&P 500, where are we heading right now? Yes or no? Okay, so next we go into the daily charts. Okay, we go to daily charts for the Nasdaq and S&P 500. So we go to S&P 500 first. Okay, S&P 500 first. You can see the price has pulled back. Yes or no? The price has pulled back into my 20 MA. Agree? CCI has dropped below minus 100 already. Okay, so you can see price pulling back, okay, into my entry setup right now. Okay, into my setup right now. Have we bought it right now based on the setup? Have we entered already? The answer is no, we have not entered the buy setup yet. Okay, we are waiting for that surge up. Okay, so it means the price must break above the previous candle high. So in this case, price right now has not broken my previous candle high. Okay, and if it breaks above my previous candle high, like this, in this case, break previous candle high, that will be my entry. At this point, not yet. Got it? Okay, so even if you want to trade for the next 1 week, okay, you have not entered yet. You are still waiting and see. Okay, it may continue to pull back into my 40 MA also. Okay, so long as you don't break below the 40 MA, this line over here on the daily chart, we are still considered bullish. Okay, can you use it above the MA? Let's say example, you when the price go above the MA, better not, because this MA is not that objective. Okay, use the previous candle high, or even you can do trend line. It is better than if you use a moving average. Okay, if you think that break previous candle high may not be so accurate or may not be so confident, you can go to, let's say, a 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart. Then from there, you look at the setup from there. Okay. Okay, I think they're loading the data. I think we don't go to our chart. Okay, but you know what I mean? You draw the downtrend line so that you can see whether there is a setup on whether there's a break trend on the downtrend from here. So from here, you can draw a trend line down. Then once it breaks up, you can buy. Got it? Type yes if it's clear. We have 78 in the public, but I don't know why there is no comments. Okay, never mind. Okay, so now let's go into So daily charts have not entered, okay, but if you go into the Trader GPS, it is up. Yes or no? Okay, there is an entry from here, 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 here. That is still up. At this moment, still bullish. This for position daily, this is an outlook for about 3 months to about 9 months. 3 months to about 9 months, bullish. 1 year, position weekly, bullish. Okay. One month or so, 1 month or so, don't buy yet. Yes or no? 1 month or so, don't buy yet because right now I have not pullback. 1 week or so, also don't buy yet because have no trigger. Okay. Any question? How low it will retrace? Don't know. Okay, so we don't anticipate how low it will go. Okay, we just wait for the market to tell us. Got it? Our key is not to anticipate how low it will go. When it turns, then we trigger. Make sense? Okay, we have Audrey. By the way, the public, if you can see me, can also comment. Okay, we have like 82 of you in the Facebook, so you can also comment. Okay, no thief for position weekly. There's no thief lah. Okay, position weekly, there is no need to look at thief. Is there any buying opportunity? Yes, there is buying opportunity. How do we see the buying opportunity? Do the individual scan. Okay, this is the index. Yes or no? This is the index. It does not mean that the index have not set up. You cannot look at the individual stock. Okay, so you know that the long term is up, the 3 to 9 months is up. No, so now you can look at position weekly swing. You can look at position weekly. You can look at position daily. Look for stocks to trade. Okay, so question for everyone. See who will give me the correct answer. Over the last 1 month or so, if you have done a scan for position daily, see who is a top student today, who can tell me a stock that regularly appear on the strong list? Show me one stock that regularly you always see it one. By right, you should know if you do the scan regularly. Coinbase, very good. PTD, yes or no? Very good. Okay. These are the stocks that appear on the strong list. Yes or no? Type yes if you have done your homework, you will know. Not on a daily basis, but on a recurring basis. Yes or no? On a recurring basis, you should know that all these stocks are strong. Yes, for example, Coinbase, okay, you can see that this is strong. Okay, since the buy signal, yes, rallied how many percent from here? Already almost 70%, okay, and the rest of the stocks also. PTD also the same thing. It has been strong, and you should know that it is rallying. Yes or no? So it's not that you know right now. Months ago, you already seen PTD. I've seen PTD for a long time already. Okay, I've seen Coinbase also for a long time appearing on the strong list. Type yes if you agree. So key is do your homework lah, because if you homework, you see, notice this stock keep coming out. This is a strong stock, okay? If we were to do the scanning ourselves right now, let's say example, we go to Trader GPS, we can look for, let's say Nasdaq. We can also see that those are the strong stocks. Let's say over the last 1 month, what are the strong stocks? You will see all these stocks over here, okay? Whether it's Nasdaq or NYSE, you should be able to see those stocks appearing here. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, whether NYSE or Nasdaq, you should see this stock appearing strong, okay, over the last 1 month or so. Okay, so next we go into so we finish S&P 500, we finish Nasdaq already. Let's go into the next one. Go to Hong Kong market. Okay, PTD is it? So guys, if you want to trade it, look for the what? Look for the setup. Yes or no? Look for the setup. Don't just blindly buy the stock. So question you need to ask yourself is, am I going to buy PTD for the next 1 year? It's 3 to 9 months, 1 month, 1 week or so? Then look at that particular setup. Does it make sense or not? Do not just say, okay, can buy or not, you know, just buy, there is no trade plan. You must always have your trade plan. If you want to buy PTD, based on what? Then let's say example, I want to buy PTD, I want to trade it, I want to get in and out within the next 1 month. Okay, so what do you do? If you want to trade in the next 1 month, what should you do? Go to position swing weekly, and you look at the setup on swing weekly. You want to say, I want to look at, sorry, weekly, right? Swing weekly, and look at swing weekly. Can I buy PTD right now if I want to make money in the next 1 month? Is it a good trade right now? So question, is it a good trade right now? No lah, it's not. Okay, but let's say example, same question, can I buy PTD for long term? You should have bought it much earlier lah. Yes or no? You should have bought it somewhere here rather than here. Type yes if you agree. Okay. Okay, so that will be the answer. So use your time frame to determine the setup, then determine what to buy. Make sense or not? Okay, can you use TOPT? Yes, okay, you can also use TOPT also, doesn't matter. Okay, so TOPT, you have the buy signal for PTD. You can also go into the daily chart. You also have the buy signal also over here. Same thing, okay? But TOPT, it has one more thing. It has a fixed profit taking. Yes or no? Once you buy already, there's a profit target that you can aim for. So that is the difference between TOPT and Trader GPS. Okay. Okay. Is there any situation where you can sort by the week instead of month? Okay, so can you sort by week? Generally, no. Okay, generally, no. Why? Is it because if it's a week, sometimes it may be too early in the trend. Okay, so you may not know that it's already a strong trend. Let me get an example right now. Let's say example, we look at NYC daily chart, daily chart right now. And I see this stock, TEVA. Remember this list, remember this list, and then you go to month, and then if you see the same list, let's say example on a weekly basis, you see TEVA, okay. On monthly basis, you also see TEVA number 3. So what does it tell you? On a month is strong, on a week is strong. Yes or no? So do you think this is a good stock to buy? So generally it's good lah. Okay, but let's say example, you go to a week chart and then you see something like VZ. Okay, VZ. Okay, here VZ is number 4 on the ranking, and on a monthly basis, VZ is where? Cannot see. Where is VZ? Okay, you cannot see. 24. Okay, so if it's okay lah, still okay. So we can see VZ. But sometimes, because if you are too early, you may be catching whipsaw. Make sense or not? You will be catching whipsaw. So it's just one thing to take note of that. These two stocks still okay because in the top 50 list, whether is it for the VZ or for TEVA, it's still okay. Okay. Then you go into VZ and then you see, okay, is it a setup right now? Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay. So public, we have 95. I don't know why so little people in public. Okay, never mind. Okay, now let's go into Hang Seng. Okay, so if you ask me, right, if this year there is a buying opportunity, I will say that China market and Hong Kong market will be the value buy signals. Okay, I don't know whether you read, but recently there is some article on this indicator, right, that is like 100% accurate. Okay, it's on Bloomberg. Okay, but I say the buy signal has appeared. But if you ask me, don't need to look at all this indicator. If you want to look for value, if you want to look for something you want to buy right now and don't need to keep monitoring Hang Seng, China market, now is a good time already. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, now is a good time already. No need to wait already. Okay, so how do I see this? You can go to here. You look at basically the channel. Okay, and you can see that we are near like very good chance. Okay, so let's say example, we set the context. So the context is for the last, well, you must help me with this. Okay, 25 years. In the last 25 years, how many buying opportunity like now? Do you understand the context? In the last 25 years in the Hang Seng market, how many buying opportunity like now? So we have 1, 2, 3, I will count this as 1, 4, and 5. There are only 4 to 5 buying opportunity in the last 25 years. Do you all understand what I'm talking about? That yes, if you understand. Weekly chart is even clearer. Can you see the weekly chart? The monthly chart is even clearer, okay? Okay, how many buying opportunity in the last 25 years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buying opportunity, that's all. Okay, so I'm not talking about something that is like every 1 year appear. Yes or no? Okay, it's not something that appear every year. It's not something that appear every 2 years. It's something that appear like every 5 years or so. Yes or no? Let's say 25, right? 25 years, you divide by the last 5 signal, about average 5 year 1 signal. Do you all get what I'm saying? The only context over here is when you buy, you may not immediately be profitable because this is a monthly chart or a weekly chart. Do you all follow what I'm saying? It's a monthly chart or a weekly chart. Okay, it can remain in this region. Let's say example here this is called 1987. It's called Asian financial crisis, right? This period, right, lasted for how long? From 1998 June period all the way to somewhere maybe 1998 October. So 4 months. Okay, so from here 4 months you can buy. Okay, you can still remain there. Yes or no? Yes, if you understand. So you got 4 months to buy. Doesn't mean buy immediately you go up. Okay, same thing over here. Let's say example you reach here already. This is cheap, right? Because you must understand you don't have benefit of this yet. When you buy here, you don't have benefit of this price yet. When you go up of the woods, let's say you go clear the woods, that means it clear the low already, right? It is like 2002 October. You must understand that you don't have chart. You only have chart until like this. So you will think that this is cheap, isn't it? Okay, and then from there it can last another 8 months. Got it? It can last 8 months. Okay, from here same thing. You thought this is low. Okay, you buy somewhere here, and then you can wait for another let's say out of the woods, out of the woods, clear the resistance. So another 6 months. Yes or no? So it may not be out of the woods immediately. Does it make sense or not? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so the key is for Hang Seng is like that. You buy, you don't see. Okay, just close eye, buy. Okay, buy. What is a strategy you can use? You can use like dollar cost averaging. Just keep buying. Okay, or if you want to do sizing, then you can maybe do 3 times. Okay, buy a bit here. If you go up a bit, buy. You go down a bit, you buy. So that is how you strategize. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so you can use 2800. That is the ETF. Okay, for Hong Kong, you can use the China market. Also can. Okay, so go and Google. Okay, all this Google. Just pick the big one. Okay, let's also pick the big ETF. Got it? Don't use CFD. Don't use CFD. Why? Because CFD will have financing charge. Okay, and if you can hold on 6 month financing can be quite expensive. So because you're not just holding for 6 months, you'll be holding even longer. Got it? Understand the context. Type yes if you understand the context. Okay, so don't go and buy already, then just when you're going to go up. don't know. Okay. Same thing for the China market also. Same thing for China market. Okay. Okay, no question. Any other question? No question. Move on. And then so Hang Seng Index done. Hang Seng Index done. Next is okay, so what to buy? If you don't know what to buy, just buy the Hang Seng Index. That is the easiest. Okay, that's the easiest. No need to worry too much. If you do not know, like you want to pick the stock, then you just go to Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index already. Then just look at the biggest market cap. Simple. Type yes if you understand. Just pick the bluest blue chip can already. Got it? Just take note one thing, when you choose Tencent, all these stocks, chances are they are still bearish. They may not be bullish. That means the candle may be brick color and things like that. And you're holding for long term. Okay? Next, I'm going to do individual stock first. Okay, now let's go to the next index. Let's look at STI first. Okay, STI, how many bought some during 2-3 years ago, like me, like people like Zach, all this, they all bought earlier, right? Okay, so if you bought some during the crisis time, same thing, 25 years, you got how many buying opportunity? 1, 2, 3, 4, also around 4 buying opportunity. Okay, now no. Okay, now no. Okay, so right now we are maybe like halfway there. Some of you may have sold. Okay, you can trade if you want, but if you don't want, you can just hold. Okay, so right now we are nowhere near the chip region already. We are maybe halfway there. Okay, but we are not expensive also, so we are like in the middle. Okay, now I want to do some prediction. Okay, by the way, I think I done those prediction. Okay, I will save the what's going to come on Saturday. Okay, so if you have not signed up, how many of you sign up for the graduates quarterly meeting this coming Saturday? Type me if you have signed up. Okay, so if you have not signed up, go and sign up. Okay, I will talk a little bit about what is to come. Okay, in the on Saturday. Okay, on Saturday, and you can, and for the graduates, I will track. Okay, who are the graduates, who are not the public. We have done a tote bag, right? Is something that I never thought that people like one. Okay, but my team say people like to have tote bag one. I said, oh, is it tote bag such a thing? Okay, so we have this tote bag. Okay, that it is free for all the people who come. Okay. Hey, by the way, anyway, the event is already free. Okay. We set up the whole room for y'all. We get the food, for simple food, finger food for y'all. We do up the calendar for y'all. Okay, this calendar is not only just a calendar, yes, all the holidays and all the for Hong Kong, for US, and for and US. Sometimes, hey, this is what Christopher Columbus Day means day of no trading. Okay, so then you need to check. Okay, so it's a trading calendar. It's not just a simple calendar, it's a trading calendar. So go and sign up, right? Using the link over here. Okay, we have already like 500 people sign up, but I think that not everybody sign up will come on. Okay? Yes or no? Usually we'll have like 40 30%. 30% will like, don't know why, last minute got thing on. Okay, so that's why we are over like you're oversubscribed. Okay, I tell the team that even though we have like 500 people, already 500 over people sign up. I just push it to 700 because chances are some will not come. Yes or no? Tell me who will sign up and not come. Okay, nobody will say things like that. Okay, is there any recording? I don't think so. There will be no recording done for that day lah. Okay, we will have a videographer and a cameraman, but it's just to videograph for that day. Okay, but there will be no video recording for that event. Got it? Okay, so I will be sharing a little bit about my view of the market, and then but for those people who cannot come, okay, I have also I will let you know after next week, okay, what have I done for you all. Can for those people who cannot make it, I have done something to share with you next week. Can so go and come first. Okay, those people who cannot make it one, never mind. You still want to know the market outlook for the year. I have still done something for you, but I'll share with you next year. Okay, Angie, you are in Malaysia, cannot come. Then never mind. Go to the we will do a masterclass for next year. This year. Okay, next year. This year. Okay. Okay. So STI done. Okay, STI done. And then that's somebody want to look at Russell. I suddenly look at Russell 1000. Okay. I think it will be same as the S&P no change. Oh. Okay. Hang Seng Index I showed China Index we can use the A50, we can use 2823 as ETF, or we can use A50 both okay. Okay. So this will be the context. Same lah. So roughly around the that region already. Yes or no? Got it? Okay, around that region. Oh yeah, there were talk like one guru say, oh, buy China. One person say, buy Hang Seng. One guru say, sell Hang Seng. I'm on the buy Hang Seng camp. Okay, but I don't follow any guru. I just look at the chart and decide. Okay. Okay, so next will be Nifty. You can look at Nifty too. Nifty 50. Nifty is pretty strong. Yes or no? Okay, pretty strong. We have broken out of this range. Okay, we have broken out this range previously. So now it's moving into a new range. So now its trend is up. Trend is up. Same for Nikkei, also same. Yes or no? Nikkei also same. Okay, trend is up. Okay, even though it's consolidating, but trend is up. Okay, index. Any other question on the index? No question. I move on. Okay, so go ahead and sign up. Can we put up the link? I just put up the link over here for those that sign up. Okay, we purposely let you oversubscribe because I think that not everyone will turn up. Why is it not everyone will turn up? Why do you think not everyone will turn up? If even you sign up, not everyone will turn up. Because it's free. Yes or no? It's like that. But if we charge, then not very nice. Not very nice. We don't want to do charge. Okay, we don't do free. Okay. People think free is no good, but actually free is good. Yes or no? Okay. See, you can free and then still got things to take, still got food to eat. Oh, where got so good. Really, it's free, right? Okay, it's free for all the S&T graduate. It's free for even you attended the class 10 years ago, it's still free. Okay, you have food, you have a nice aircon place, you have calendar, you have tote bag. Yes or no? Okay, so Oh yeah, so those people that cannot make it one, I don't want to tell you all too many things. Those people who cannot make it on that day, let's say example, Dr. Lee, okay, maybe you are busy that day doing your thing, right? You cannot make it, right? Then I understand. What I will do is, for some of y'all who want, how many here really want to come, really want a calendar but cannot make it on that day? Like me, you are someone like that. There's so many people all want to come. Okay, but we have set aside some calendar to for those people who really want to come and really cannot make it on. Then I will set aside. I don't have a lot, but I have asked them to print a little bit more for those people who cannot be on that day. Okay, can. Okay, so next one, let's go to charge a token. I think don't charge. Maybe we can do some kind of maybe we'll do kind of donation for charity. Okay, so who are in the charity community? Please take note. Okay, if you want to like raise fund for this year, think about how to do that. Okay, this year we were gonna do 4 charity event. Very ambitious. We just had a meeting like yesterday or the day before. We're gonna have 4 events this year. We're gonna have first one is a bowling, okay. Then second one is a durian tour. Third one will be hiking, and fourth one is karaoke. It's like, wow, 4 event a year, okay. And the picnic, is it? Oh, is it picnic? Okay, picnic, some hiking, and then fourth one will be karaoke. Okay, so we have to thank the community for organizing this. Okay. Anyway, that one we discuss later. Let's go back to the market. Okay. So next we go into the individual stock. Maybe I just do a bit of screening to show you how to do it. Okay, because I'm calling nothing to buy. Actually got things to buy. You just need to work lah. Oh, okay. So let's go to one process. I'll do one on Trader GPS. I'll do one on TOPT. Okay. Now step 1, Trader GPS. Then step 2, daily chart, Nasdaq. Then rank by what? Rank by month. Yes or no? Why? Because I need at least a 1 month strong. Why? Because some are not 1 month strong. Example, like maybe this one. Okay, so let's say example, this one is not strong. Maybe it's not a good stock to buy. Okay, so I need at least a 1 month strong trend. Then I look at the signals. Okay, some of them you may really see them really a trick. You have seen them, right? Okay, then from there I look at those that are 1 to 3 signals. Okay, that means from here 1 to 3 signals, 3 buy signals. Okay, some of them has already a lot. Like example on Moderna is bearish, cannot. Okay, but some of them has like 4 signals, 8 signals. Okay, this one has 6 signal, but today is no teeth. You can take a look at this one, A, S, and D. Okay. So what do you think? This is bullish or bearish? Strong or weak? Strong lah, huh? Strong. Okay. And even let's say example, we bring back the context. Let's say example, we go back to if you ask me, right, this is still a stock to buy. Okay, Trader GPS may not have the teeth, but I feel that this is strong. Okay, that's still a TOPT. You see, yesterday there was a buy signal. Yes or no? Type yes if you saw this stock yesterday on TOPT. Yesterday as in Thursday last week. Okay, Thursday you have seen this stock on TOPT, second dot. Yes or no? So this thing is still strong. Do you agree? Type yes if you agree. Still strong, okay? Still strong. Okay, so Trader GPS may not have buy signal, but TOPT, if you go back to last Thursday, it should have the signal last Thursday. Yes or no? Okay, rank by month, you should be able to see the stock lah. Okay, I won't go to details, but you understand what I'm talking about? That yes, if you understand, Mondana also have signal, KRTX also have signal, Golden Peak some more. Oh, this one very strong. Okay, but this one may have corporate action. I don't know why is the corporate action over here. Okay, there may be some corporate action. Please, if there's some like takeover or privatization, then don't buy. Okay, so like let's do step by step. Let's go back to Trader GPS daily chart, monthly rank by month. We look through. Okay, look through the list. This one ANSS. Okay, KTX. Okay, this one may have too many signals already because I have 8 signal already, so a bit too much already. Then 10 signal, a bit too much already. VRTX. Okay, this one also not bad. But yes, if you agree, okay, this one also not bad. Okay, also going upwards. Yesterday, buy signal not triggered yet. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so that will be Trader GPS scanning. Okay, Trader GPS scanning. Then let's go to last day. Trader GPS scanning. Okay, you go through the list. Look for those that have buy signal. Some of them have 7 signal, 8 signal, 6 signal, too long already. So some of them has moved up already. Okay. Now we go to TOPT, same thing. TOPT has a fixed target and stop loss. Yes or no? Fixed target and stop loss. How you choose the stock? You can use my market cap. Agree? You can use my market cap to find the strongest market cap stock. Look for the strong list. Look at those that have buy signals also same. Okay, so you have like BHP or very long never see this stock. Okay, BHP second dot over here. It don't have a golden peak, but it's number 2. Okay, so this one first dot also PLD. Okay, this one I think not bad. This one also has a wet setup. This one also has a swing setup. That yes, if you understand. So it's strong plus swing setup. Plus you also have the, what is this? What is this called? Resistance, turn, support. Yes or no? Okay. So these are not bad. Okay. Okay, so TOPT also can help you to choose stock to buy. You can rank by market cap. You can look by the signal. You can also go by month. Okay, you can look by month. Then you look down and find the stocks. Okay, guys. Ally. Okay, also first signal. Okay. Got stock to buy or not? Yes lah, there are stock to buy. Just take note for TOPT, fixed target price. So let's say example, you enter here. What's the next step? After you enter the entry already, what do you do next? You must put the stop loss. Yes or no? You must look the stop loss. Stop loss will be based on dynamic stop loss tool. Draw the stop loss over here. Then after that, what? Target. Okay, so from here to here, look for the stop loss, look at the target price to aim for the first target. Understand? Okay, and that will be the first target. 50 to 50% you can take off. Okay, guys. Can you filter signal 1 and the golden peak scanner? You just go to here, screener, click on golden peak. Okay, then you look for the first signal. Okay, all these are first signal, but not today. Okay, that means the first signal maybe like here lah. So like all this golden peak, but not today. This one got second dot already. So the first dot, second dot here. Okay, you must look for those that is highlighted in green. That means buy signal today. Okay, all these are the golden peak stocks. Okay, guys. Okay, let me move on. let's look at your individual stocks. Can we buy finish? Look at the setup lah. Yes or no? Look at the setup lah. Okay, look at the setup. Okay, let's look at the individual stocks. Min, can you put up the link, please? Block has a green dot TOPT weekly chart. I bought and went down. Did I see it wrongly? Okay, let's take a look. Block. Weekly chart. Weekly chart. Okay lah, nothing wrong lah. Oh, still holding, right? Yes or no? Enter here, still holding. Okay lah, nothing lah. Okay. They haven't cut loss, right? The cut loss will be here. Oh. And this trade is for how long? 1 year lah. Okay. So 1 year, you can aim for 1 year. Okay. Daily chart also got buy signal already. Okay. Okay, let's look at the polling stock. Okay, Gabriel, if Tesla and Baba. Let's look at if Tesla and Baba. If first, if is here. That's if. Okay. Daily chart. We are okay. I think right now the uptrend for crypto, right, is weaker than, let's say, in December. Do you agree? That yes, if you agree. How do I know that the uptrend is weaker right now? Oh, because we can see that this thing is closing up. Got it? We can also see that price dropped below the 40 MA, and this has not happened since like October. Got it? So it dropped below the 40 MA, went up above 40 MA, last week dropped below, yesterday dropped below the 40 MA, now trying to recover above the 40 MA. So you see, compared now, compared to 1 month ago, it is weaker. That yes, if you understand. Or it's weaker right now. If you look at the weekly chart, right now, price from here go until here. Right now, it's consolidating. Can you see? Okay, so where is the support? Where is the support for ETH? Support for ETH is around here. Okay, 2130. Okay, 2130 is the support. So if you can get 2130, there will be a good price to get in. But yes, if you understand. So here is a strong uptrend. Strong uptrend, you can look at the 10 MA to look at the setup. Okay, for buy. So if you can get 2130, there will be a good long-term buy position. But daily trading at this moment, no lah. Got it? That yes, if you understand, daily trading right now not very strong, so like 50-50. Okay, but long-term trading, long-term investing, 2130 will be an entry price. Okay, because why? Because the long-term it is no longer down already, it is up already. Oh, so 2130 will be the entry price for ETH. Got it? Any question? No question, huh? BTC, I think also the same. Okay, you look at daily chart. BTC looks like want to break out. Okay, yes or no? Okay, looks like want to break out. The resistance is here. The day we have a test, and then right now is around here. This is a rising triangle. Looks like want to break out. Got it? Got it? Don't anticipate breakout. Wait for the price to break out, then you enter. Okay. 2130, not 1830. 2130. Okay. So in general, right? In general, so there's a question right now, BTC ETF. BTC ETF. Is it a buy on rumor, sell on news situation, or is it a buy on rumor, buy on news situation? What do y'all think? This one is like the question, the $1 million question, right? So how many thing is buy on rumor, sell on news? How many thing is after the news will go up some more? Okay, by the way, nobody got the correct answer, okay, but I guess also, okay? So some say buy on rumor, sell on news, some say buy on news, buy on rumor, sell on news. My guess is as good as your guess. Type yes if you agree. My guess will be as good as your guess, okay? So we are all guessing, okay? We are all guessing. My guess is still will have a buy on rumor, sell on news. Still will have, okay? Because you have to understand one thing, right now this market pump, is it because of like retail money coming into crypto to buy? No lah. Oh, it's not. It's not. It is more of people who are already in crypto, they're converting their stable coin into crypto to buy. Yes or no? Okay. Yes, there are some institution money to buy, but the pump is more from the anticipation for the ETF. Do you understand? Like yes, if you understand. Oh, so this money is from people who are in crypto changing their stable into cryptocurrency. Oh, at least for now. Okay. So chances are when the news are out, when the news is out, and people say, okay, no more catalyst already. Because news is a catalyst. Type yes if you understand. News is a catalyst for the market to move, okay, or a reason for the market to move. So the catalyst finish already. So no more catalyst. People usually will sell on the news. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Because there's nothing to anticipate anymore. Got it? Okay, so it's not about whether it is halving or whether it is so understand that price, right, is just sentiment. Do you all understand what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, price is a sentiment. Okay, so even though long term the BTC will go up because of halving, because of ETF, because of all the other reason, long term will still go up, but short term may still have a sell on news. Got it? That's my guess. Okay. What other reason why do you think that why I think the sell on news is also because the funding rate is very high right now? Yes or no? The funding rate is very high right now. So if you just so you can see like how many people are bullish, how many people are bearish, right? Then if you look at the funding rate of, let's say so say Binance, I say some, because Binance sometimes play cheap one. Okay, let's say we look at BTC. BTC funding rate now is 0.3%. For 1 day, right, is 0.3%. So 0.3% 1 day, right, is how much per year? It's quite a lot per year. Do you know? 0.3% for every 8 hours, right, is how much a year? Okay, it's quite high lah. Anyway, so quite a lot of people are leveraged long already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Quite a lot of people are leveraged long already. Okay, so that means they are paying every 8 hours. Every 8 hours they are paying 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.03, sorry, 0.03% every 8 hours. Oh, that means a lot of people are margin long. Do you all follow what I'm saying? or a lot of people are margin long. So this one can also see the how many are margin long. So people are willing to pay 33% a year to long BTC right now. Got it? Yes, if you understand, 33%, is it high or not high? High lah. Oh, that means theoretically, if we maintain this level 33%, right, it is 1 year later will be 33%. If let's say I'm short, I have 33% more. Oh, should you exit before announcement? Okay, so guys, it really depend on your, okay, if you are long term, then no need to do anything, just hang on. But dollar cost averaging, continue to hang on, because it may be wrong, it may continue to shoot up. Also, you long term, no need to do. If you want to trade it, then look for pullback lah, same thing lah, wait for the MA, look for the CCI, then pull back to get in lah. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, one more thing to see, that the ETH versus the BTC, wow, look at this thing. I was also quite surprised, because you can see that long term first, you can see this is the support for ETH-BTC, support for ETH-BTC. Okay, I thought, right, that from here there was a big surge, yes or no? Okay, there was a big surge that broke the downtrend line. Okay, something like broke the downtrend line. Okay, but after it broke the downtrend line, it went back down again. Oh, it went back down again. So right now, if this ETH, right, drop below, then it will be much further down. Can you see that? Yes, you can see that. Oh, do I think it's going to be like that? I hope not lah. Okay, I hope not. I hope this will remain. That means this line will hold. Got it? Okay. One more thing, that why now ETH is underperforming BTC. Yes or no? But let's say example, think about it. Example, if BTC news out already, then what is the next thing to look at? ETF, and ETH also got a lot of catalysts also. Okay, ETH got a lot of catalysts, but I think I won't go into detail. Let's go into stocks already. Okay, let's finish up the rest of the stocks. Okay, let's look at the rest of the stock. We have Tesla. Tesla as I said, Tesla is consolidating into a range. You can see weekly chart is consolidating into a range. Okay, so not exciting. I got mentioned this before, right? Tesla is consolidating a range. It's not exciting right now. Okay, last one is BABA. BABA is also okay. Let's say example right now got BABA. Okay, let's say go to Hong Kong. Let's say we go to Hong Kong right now. Instead of buying BABA, right, what should we buy right now? As a Trader GPS, last trading day, I want to look at things to buy. Okay, I look at market cap for the big one. Then from here, I look for the strong one. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I will look at the bearish one. I'll look at the bullish one. Make sense or not? Or I'll look at the relatively, this BABA is bearish. Okay, Tencent is bearish. Okay, let's say example, China Mobile, maybe even better than BABA. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Or maybe we look at ICBC, maybe even look better than BABA right now. Okay, got it. But BABA right now, downtrend to sideways trend. Okay, not the time to buy. Not the time to buy right now. Okay, any other question before we call it a day? Okay, today got some time. Just look at your individual stock lah. Just maybe 3 stocks. Okay, fastest finger first. IREN daily swing. IREN daily swing. What do y'all think? Yes or no? No tell why, yes also say why. No, I also say no. Okay, I also say no. Why no? Not because of bearish candle. Maybe okay. So see, you must choose stocks, right, guys? You must choose stock that is on the uptrend like this one. You say that the pullback you buy. This will be good stock to choose. Got it? Okay, I will not buy something like that. That means if I want to look for a stock to buy, I will look for something like this. I rank for arrows. Then I look at something like this to buy. You know what I'm saying? Maybe not this particular stock, but look for already uptrend one. Okay, look for those stocks that are already on the uptrend one. These are nice stock to buy. Type yes if you understand. Don't go and look for that one now. Okay, that's not done. Look for this one. This one also got set up. FYBR also have set up, right? Okay, or this one. Look for all these stocks to swing. Maybe not this one, okay, but you look for those that have nice setup to look to buy. Okay, swing, rank by arrows, then look at all these stocks. Got it? This will be a better list. Got it? Okay. Okay, next one is BYD. BYD also like sideways, or sideways. Long term also like sideways, okay. Nothing interesting. Not cheap, not expensive, not good trading also. Nothing. Okay, last one is SCHW. Okay, Charles Schwab. Swing out. Daily chart. Weekly chart. Weekly chart. Okay, so maybe something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, if you can clear here, then it's a buy. If not, then it's not good. Okay, so right now it's still down. Okay, guys, if not, then thank you very much, everyone, for being here. Okay, I wish you all a good 2024 and see you on Saturday. Okay, see you on Saturday. For the public, oh, forgot to do advertisement. Okay, for public, if there's anyone in the public, please, if you're interested to join us in the SMT community, you can go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB, to join us in our next coming class or preview. Okay, graduate, don't leave first. Okay, so far got 70 people left. Still got 340 of your time SMT if you recommend SMT to the public, if there's anybody in the public. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Brian, James, whoever, James, Clinton, Cynthia, David. Okay, thank you, guys. If not, then have a good day. See you and good night. Bye.